Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel of Style with Irfan. Today we are going to discuss about Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? How many types of Bitcoin? How does Bitcoin work? So let's start. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows for peer-to-peer transaction without the need for intermediaries such as bank. It was created in 2009 by an anonymous individual or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. In this article we will explore what Bitcoin is, the different types of Bitcoin and how Bitcoin works. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows for secure and anonymous transaction without the need for intermediaries such as bank or payment processor. It operates on a decentralized network called the blockchain, which is publicly ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. Bitcoin is created through a process called mining, which involves solving complex mathematical algorithms to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain, which are miners are recorded with the newly created bitcoins for their effort, which are then circulated in the market. Types of Bitcoin. The first type is Bitcoin BTC. Bitcoin BTC is the original and most well-known form of Bitcoin. It is the most widely accepted and traded cryptocurrency and has current market cap of over $1 trillion. Bitcoin Cash BCH. Bitcoin Cash BCH is a fork of the original Bitcoin created in 2017. It was created to address some of the scalability issue with Bitcoin, allowing for faster and cheaper transaction. Bitcoin SVBSV. Bitcoin SVBSV is another fork of the original Bitcoin created in 2018. It was created to increase the block size limits to accommodate more transaction and improve scalability. Litecoin LTC. Litecoin LTC is a cryptocurrency created in 2011 by Charlie Lee, a former Google engineer. It is similar to Bitcoin in many ways, but that has faster transaction at a time and a high maximum supply. Ethereum ETH is a decentralized platform that allows for the creation of smart contract and decentralized application DApps. It has its own cryptocurrency called Ether, which is used to pay for transaction on the platform. How does Bitcoin works? Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network called the blockchain, which is a public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. Each transaction is verified and added to the blockchain by a network of nodes, computers, and that participate in the network. When a user wants to send the Bitcoin to another user, they create a transaction and broadcast it to the network. The network of nodes and then validate the transaction and add them to the blockchain. The transaction is then confirmed and the Bitcoin is transferred from the sender's account to the receiver's account. Mining is the process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Miners use specialized hardware and software to solve complex mathematical algorithms which validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. As a reward for their efforts, miners receive newly created Bitcoin, which are then circulated in the market. Bitcoin is a decentralized currency, meaning that it is not controlled by any central authority or government. This makes its resistance to government intervention, censorship, and inflation. However, it is also makes it more volatile and subject to price fluctuation. Bitcoin transactions are secure and anonymous, but they are not completely anonymous. Each transaction is recorded on the blockchain and can be traced back to the senders and receivers. To increase anonymity, users can't use third-party services such as mixtures or Thrumble to mix their coins with other users' coins. Conclusion. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows for secure and anonymous transaction without the need for intermediaries such as bank. It operates on a decentralized network called the blockchain, which is a public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. There are different types of Bitcoin, including Bitcoin BTC, Bitcoin Cash BCH, Bitcoin SPBSV, Litecoin LTC, and Ethereum ETH. While Bitcoin offers many benefits, it is also subject to volatility and price. Now we will stop the video here. We will discuss the new topic in the next video. Now Allah Hafiz.